which is we got approved for our UK visit visa. So yes, pupunta po tayo sa United Kingdom. So bakit nga ba UK? Background na lang siguro kasi yung brother ko is in the UK. So he and my sister-in-law lives there. So they're working there actually. So in-invite nila kami to go there. So I'm going with my parents and yung tita ko, sasama siya sa amin. Iba-iba kasi kaming cases nung pag-apply for my parents, ako, tsaka yung sa tita ko. So meron kaming 4 cases na I would share with you on the succeeding vlogs para malaman nyo din ano yung mga requirements and paano mag-apply for a UK visit visa. So this, also note that we did this application na DIY. So hindi kami nag-hire ng agency, we didn't consult anyone. Talagang nag-rely lang kami online, yung mga step-by-step guide. Tapos nag-join din kami ng several Facebook groups that could help us. So wala kami pinagtanungan pero nagbasa-basa lang kami doon ano yung mga kadalasang rason bakit nade-deny. So at least meron kaming guide ano yung mga susundin namin, ano yung mga hindi. Case number 1, yung sa sarili ko, di ba, I'm employed and non-sponsored yung visit ko, yung application ko to UK. And then yung second case naman, yung sa tita ko, she is a retiree and senior citizen, tapos not sponsored din yung visit niya or yung application niya. And lastly, yung sa parents ko naman, they're both senior citizens and retirees, tapos they are sponsored. Ang UK visit visa application process is everything is online except for the biometrics. So kailangan nyo lang isubmit yung mga documents nyo online. You have to fill out the form online. You have to scan the documents or the requirements needed na isubmit. Tapos i-upload lang siya sa portal. So wala kayong kailangang i-print. Maliban na lang dun sa dadalhin nyo sa biometric center, which is yung appointment letter. But other than that, kailangan nyo lang i-scan yung mga documents na requirements para yun yung isasubmit nyo online. So you have to be ready for the following questions. So number 1 is kailangan alam nyo kung kailan kayo magta-travel to the United Kingdom. And then from those travel dates, mag-prepare na kayo ng high-level itinerary kasi merong part dun sa form na itatype nyo, kukwento mo lang kung ano yung itinerary. And also, you have to be ready of the answer. Where are you going to stay in the UK? Third, kailangan maging ready din kayo dun sa question na how much do you think your trip will cost? And kailangan mo rin ilagay yung information na kung saan ka currently nakatira ngayon. So syempre kung saan ka ngayon nakatira dito sa Pilipinas, name ng parents mo, how much yung na-earn mo. So kung may income ka, ganyan, or kung in the case of my parents, kung may pension ka, ganyan, how much yung na-earn mo in a year. And kailangan mo rin i-note ano yun yung mga travels mo in the past 10 years. And then if employed ka naman, kailangan syempre alam mo din kung ano yung company name mo, yung address, yung contact number. Tapos if you have a partner or a spouse, i-indicate mo din yun doon. And if someone is paying for your trip, whether it's the sponsor na nasa United Kingdom or halimbawa may someone here, halimbawa in my case, sabihin ko, ay, yung husband ko will be paying for my trip or something, i-indicate mo din yun, sino yung mag-pay ng trip. Click nyo lang yung apply for a standard visitor visa. Pero dapat make sure na malinaw yung documents niyo kasi nga, wala kayong sasabit na hard copy, lahat yan online. So, huwag yung papahirapan yung visa officer. So far, wala naman kami na-receive na refusal letter. So somehow, medyo kabado but positive in a way na, mukha naman siguro nakapasa kami, ganyan. Follow and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notification, lalo na for my new vlogs. See you sa next vlog. Bye!